Sulit nga ba ang 6,000 pesos na membership fee? Yes, halagang 6,000 pesos mo, kapalit na nito ang maraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging member ni IMG. At di lang ito simpleng membership it's a complete package. Financial education, healthcare investment, access, savings, discount, rewards, and many more. Good day everyone, I'm Coach Eric and together with my wife Lillian, we're more than 17 years in IMG or International Marketing Group. Ano nga ba ang benepisyo kapag nag-member ka dito? Well, una sa lahat, become a saver and investor instantly. Pag nagpa-member ka, may 1,000 pesos premium deposit fund savings ka kagad at pwede mo itong i-convert into Solvable Mutual Funds through Rumber Financial. At tuturuan ka pa namin kung paano dumami ang ipon mo kahit 20, 50 or even 100 pesos lang ang itatabi mo. Just imagine kung gagawin mo ito for 5, 10, 20 to 30 years, may malaking ipon ka kagad pagdating ng iyong retirement years. Next, personal accident insurance. May coverage ka na 100 to 300,000 pesos. Memorial assistance. Kapag member ka, makakaroon ka ng 50,000 pesos memorial services from Fidelity plus 24/7 memorial concert service from Everest Memorial. Next is healthcare benefits kung saan meron din tayong free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Centers plus discounted medical and laboratory services. Kasama na din po ang mga immediate family members. Next, Vision Care, may free 2 pairs of frame every year. Legal assistance with free legal consultation of 45 minutes per session. IMG book, bibigyan din kita nitong IMG Powerful Book, The Secret to Savings and Building Your Future, kung saan marami ng buhay nagbago ng librong ito at kung sana kasunod ka na. Ipa sa mga benefits ang member na discount rin sa mga life insurance. May affordable and travel insurance, car insurance, or property insurance dahil may discount ka. Real estate savings ka rin pag bibili ka ng real estate properties. Another benefits, IMG Auto Program. IMG Rewards, kung gusto mong gawin ang IMG business, pwede kang maka-earn incentive like travel the world. Bakit kami nakakapag-travel sa ibang bansa? Dahil 3 times sa isang taon ang IMG convention namin. 1 local convention sa SMX MOA at 2 times naman sa ibang bansa. Finally, worldwide protection benefits kung ikaw ay isang OFW na gustong mag-member, may exclusive additional benefits para sa iyo. 500,000 accidental death benefits, 100,000 burial benefits, 100,000 medical reimbursements, and 600,000 act of terrorism, 600,000 unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement, and repatriation services. Dito, magdadagdag ka lang ng konti sa membership mo. Pero yan ang mga benefits na madadagdag sa'yo. Just imagine sa murang halaga lang, ang kapalit ay napakaraming benefits at opportunity. So, sulit ba? Para sa akin, sobrang sulit dahil ito ay complete package and protection. May financial education, may healthcare, meron din investment saving discount reward. And the best part, meron ka pang community ng mga taong nag-iipon, nag-i-invest at nagpe-prepare para sa kinabukasan. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman kung paano maging IMG member, nasa Pilipinas ka man o ibang bansa, mag-comment ka lang sa video na ito. Again, this is your Coach Eric and looking forward to see you as my business partner in IMG. Happy to assist you. Bye.